Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. These videos are for those who are students and facing problems to learn and understand the mathematics formulas. Here you can see the list of shapes for which we need the calculations. Basic calculation are area and parameters. Let's go the sheet. I have made this sheet very user-friendly and easy to use. You don't have to open the calculator, pen, or anything else. This sheet will easily work on laptop and on your Android phones. Here you can see a rectangle shape, and at the right the basic formulas, area, parameter, and diagonal. Below the rectangle, two boxes indicated with length and width respectively. Only you have to type the dimensions, and you get the answers below the formulas. For example, if I type 10 in length and 8 in width, the results are instant. And if I type 20 in length and 15 in width, the results are instant. Same as rectangle, there is second sheet with square formula calculations. There is only one basic difference in rectangle and square is that square has all sides of equal length. In this sheet we only need to type the length of side in the box given below. Like if I type 10, the results are instant, nothing to do further. And if 20, the results are instant. Please like, share and comment if you like the video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for next session. Till the goodbye.